Good morning students. This is your Anju ma'am. I am going to teach you how to draw Diwali scene. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. It is the festival of lights. Diwali is celebrated as the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. We all celebrate this festival by decorating our homes with diyas, candles, rangolis, etc. and sharing gifts with each other. My dear students, on this day we all worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. So students, are you ready to draw Diwali scene? Yes? Very good. Ma'am is going to draw with sketch pen and you will draw with pencil. Okay? Firstly, we will draw lights. For this, draw semicircles like this. My dear students, draw with ma'am very beautifully and neatly. Now draw small circles like this. Now we will draw a house. Draw one sleeping line, another sleeping line we will draw. Join these two lines with slant lines. Now we will draw one standing line, another standing line we will draw. Join these two standing lines with sleeping line. Okay? Draw two standing lines like this. Join them with two sleeping lines. Okay? Draw one slant line, join it with standing line and another slant line. Again we will draw one slant line, join it with standing line and draw another slant line. This is door. Now we will decorate this house. So we will draw diyas. Draw with ma'am. Draw one semicircle like this. This is diya. As you know, on the festival of Diwali, we all decorate our houses. Yes? My dear students, very beautifully and neatly you will draw these diyas with ma'am. Okay? Yes, very good. Now we will draw crackers. All of you burst the crackers under the observation of your parents. Yes, we will draw anar. So for this, draw a triangle like this. Draw small small lines like this. Draw with ma'am. Very good. Now we will draw a boy here. Firstly, we will draw the face. For this, draw a circle, 2 eyes, 1 nose and mouth. Now we will draw here. Draw 2 ears. Now we will draw 2 small standing lines for the neck. My dear students, we will draw the body of the boy. For this, we will draw 1 sleeping line. Join it with 2 standing lines. Okay. Now we will draw 1 sleeping line. Now we will draw 2 slant lines like this. Draw the hand. Now we will draw the other hand of the boy. Draw with ma'am like this. Very good. Now we will draw the legs of the boy. Draw with ma'am like this. Very beautifully and neatly you will draw with ma'am. Draw the shoes of the boy like this. Now we will draw sparkler. For this, draw like this. Draw with ma'am like this. Now we will draw fireworks which you see in the sky. Draw like this with ma'am. Draw with ma'am. All these you see in the sky. Okay. Yes. See, this is our Diwali scene. So children, practice this scene very neatly and beautifully in your art notebook, and I hope you will enjoy this festival to the fullest. Happy Diwali. Bye bye.